Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G. The 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display has been expertly calibrated to ensure excellent color accuracy. With a 360Hz touch sampling rate, Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G gives the gaming experience a full upgrade. Plus, a 90Hz refresh rate makes every swipe, scroll, and tap feel instantaneous. Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G is super thin at just 7.99mm and weighs just 181 grams. It's comfortable to hold even through seriously long gaming sessions. The Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G features an in-display fingerprint scanner for faster, more natural unlocking than traditional button methods. Just touch it and your fingerprint gives you instant access to your phone. Realme Narzo 50 Pro 5G comes equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 925G processor, boosting speed by up to 2.5 GHz CPU, delivering greater performance for everyday tasks, from intensive gaming to responsive app launch. 5-layer cooling system fits powerful heat dissipation technology into a tiny form. Covering 100% of heat source components, it can reduce core temperature by up to 10 degrees Celsius, even as you game to your heart's content. A new X-axis linear motor drastically improves haptic feedback, delivering more dimensional vibration for a heightened gaming experience. With 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, you can store more photos, videos, and files locally. And dynamic RAM expansion gives you an additional 5 GB of virtual RAM, letting you switch between apps instantaneously. 2 speakers powered by Dolby Atmos and Hi-Res audio deliver 3D sound for an immersive experience that lets you feel more rich details in your games. A large 5,000 mAh battery can power your favorite entertainment for several days. If you do run out of power while gaming, you can get a 50% charge in just 31 minutes with the 33-watt Dart charger. And 48-megapixel AI triple camera helps you capture unforgettable moments in vivid and ultra-clear detail. It comes in 2 colors, Hyper Blue and Hyper Black. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.